Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download WhatsApp photos to gallery, and now let's dive right in. Now to download WhatsApp photos and images to gallery, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings option for us, and over here guys you can see there is the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here scroll down and you can see there is the media visibility option available for us over here just above the font size, where it says the show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. If you tap on it and turn it on, then the WhatsApp photos and images which were sent to you will be available on your phone as well, or phone's gallery. And with that being said guys, this is how to download WhatsApp photos and images to phone gallery. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.